What's up, guys? It's November 11th, 2024. Happy Veterans Day. I fumbled a bag today. I thought since it was a federal holiday that it was gonna be a half day, so I went to work and didn't trade. And then I was looking at past 10 o'clock. I was like, man, does half days end at 10:05? I was like, man, do half days end at 10:10? I was like, all right, what the hell is going on here? But it doesn't look like I missed too much. We went sideways, a bit of a breakout, and then we had a TTR. This is a trader's nightmare, which is interesting because usually I would do destroyed here. Would have been interesting actually to see what I would have done. I haven't traded in one of these in a very long time. The last time I did was probably months ago and I got shredded. So yeah, I don't know why I thought federal holidays were half days. I got confused on that one. Anyways, daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember expansion, contraction. Bad follow through at highs. Is that a bull bar? That is a bull bar. Good for the bulls, but it's a range bar. This is the third leg, and it looks really nice. So typically when we're in third leg, that's the leg of a range. Like what? Ooh, I thought that's not leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Look at this rally, looks great. It's the second, that's the first rally. Look at this rally, it's the second rally. Okay, it's all right. A little more overlap, but look at this rally. It looks really nice with a really big exhaustion gap here. So it'll be cool to see what happens. Rally, 4-bar microchannel, 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually this will get a second leg, so maybe we can get a 50% pullback. We rally, that creates a double top. Or maybe this is the start. Maybe this breakout was so strong because we broke out above this swing high that it resets the market count. So leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. This bar has a lot of momentum in it, so keep that in mind here. And yeah, so today we had a gap up, bar one, bad follow through. Excuse me, 2 seconds. I still got a little cough here. Thank you. So yeah, bar one, we have a gap up, bad follow through. Bar two, it's a bear bar. Whoa. Excuse me. We have a bear bar, bull bar. So we see a gap up, pull back, and we have bulls trying to get a continuation. They want to trend. However, bar three, outside down bar after a gap up or trading around yesterday's high. I think leg three is strong. I think bar three is strong to get its own second leg. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, we rally into the EMA. So there's that. Leg one, pull back. Leg two. But this second leg failed. And a second leg can be, it passes or fails if it goes one tick above the prior high. This second leg did not go one tick above the prior high. So leg one, pull back, leg two, failed and makes a higher low. And look at this bar, 13, 14. We could even say 11. So it starts at 11 because this is an inside bar. It doesn't break any lows. Rally, pull back, rally. And now look at the high of 14. See, bar 19, bar 18 and 19 went one tick above. Actually, I want to see something. Someone told me I could just look up here for the candle numbers. I did not know that. So the high of this is 43.50. High of this is 43.50. So that's a double top. And the reason I did that is because this channel actually ends at the high of candle 15. So that's the full leg. So we would want to see one tick above 15, but instead it was a double top. Even though this is a bear bar, that's still where this is still where the spike ends, right above here. It's kind of hard to see because of the crosshairs, but I'm gonna move my mouse in a second. So the channel starts down here and it ends up here. Pull back leg two. So how am I counting that? Leg one, pull back leg two, leg one, pull back, deep pull back, leg two, pull back leg three. What happens in leg three is we go more range bound. And then we start to sell. Leg one, pull back, leg two, into the lows. More sideways selling. Where did the bear leg start? The bear leg started where the bull channel ended. We could say the bull channel ended here. The bull channel ended here. That's where the bear leg started. So the market's always rotating, right? Leg one, pull back, leg two. For the bears, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. So wedge bottom, 36, 37, bulls want to get the rally, somewhat of a higher low, not the best higher low, has a lot more bear pressure. 37, strong bar closing on slow, good follow through 39, and again, good follow through 40. This would be my setup here. I'm looking for 3 or more bars. So here's a setup with a pullback. Here's a setup with a pullback. Setup with a pullback. However, 40, 43, 42, 43 start to get climactic with tails. We're in the third leg again. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. That's just, and the first opposite bar is start of the channel. If we're respecting the market cycle, goes breakout, up channel trading range. So, excuse me, breakout below the EMA, first opposite bar. Starts the channel phase 36, so now we're channeling, and then we expect 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. When we're in leg 3, pull back leg 4. You gotta start thinking more range bound. We're trading right above support here. 48 strong rally closing on its high. This bar is this is the 5-minute chart, but this bar has 3 100-second candles within it. So if we trade micro channels with 3 bars, this bar should get its own pullback. Its own second leg, and it does. 48 rally, 49 pullback, 50, 51, 52, 53 rally, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, and the market goes into a tight trading range. Avoid tight trading ranges at all costs because that's a trader's nightmare. We had a full day, but the price action looks so small. I didn't realize we've only been talking for 6 minutes. Maybe I'm talking too fast. Should I slow down the way I talk? And maybe move my mouse extra slow? I don't know what happened that week I was sick, but I messed up all my numbers. Okay. So here's the bear leg. We can say the entry is here. 1.5 R's in that. 1R, 1.5 R. Actually, let me save this real quick. Yeah, okay. We're cooking. What's cooking? Good looking? I've never actually said that to a girl or a guy. Okay, leg 1. Just ignore what I just said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bar micro channel. Pull back. 25, 26, 27. So the market's pulling back here. The double top bear flag, lower high. We can put it the 1R here. Get that breakout. 1.5 R's met here. But then we see bars 30, 31, 32, bars 31, 32, 33, 34. Strong enough to get its own second leg. We want to go for that. We put out the high of 36 because we know the difference between a reversal and a pullback. If it's early in the trend, it's more likely to be a pullback. If it's late in the trend, bar 48 is more likely to be a reversal. See the difference between 37 and 38? 37 is the start of the bear breakout with a tail on top. It was a pullback. 41 had a tail on top. It was also a pullback. But for 41, we would measure these bars. Put it on the top of the pullback. So that's your entry. There's your risk. 1.5 R's met within 2 bars. It's even met if you shorted 42, but that's a batch. That's a low short. That's a low one. Low 1 here. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, rally, bar 48. If you're a mean reversion trader, I got nothing against mean reversion traders. I laughed too hard a little bit last time. I was talking about something. Anyways, 1.5 hours met if you sit through this whole sideways movement. But that is 20 bars. That's over an hour. Yeah, about 2 hours, 24 bars. Tough day. I do think it was challenging. If you traded it and you're profitable, I'm very happy for you. That is my goal. Is I want everyone to be profitable. People are asking me on my YouTube shorts, am I profitable? Am I profitable? I don't know what to tell you because I haven't actually had a withdrawal. I am trading live again. That's why I'm starting to post shorts. But yeah, I haven't had that withdrawal yet. I've been chasing the dragon since literally the beginning of the year. I thought I was going to get paid out. So I'm trading more from a systematic perspective. So if it's not this year, I'm going to beat my head against the wall until it is next year. And if it's not next year, I'll hit my head harder till it's the following year. I don't trade mean reversions, but you could get 1-to-1 of 48 here. It doesn't look like 1.5R was hit. But yeah, so there were several trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most of them hit 1.5R, surprisingly. Only the mean reversion trade didn't. Wink, wink. Okay, let's fill in the gaps. When we have open gaps, that's a trending environment. When gaps are closing, that's range bound environment. So we see we have a gap here. It closes here. Bullish line. If this was a bull bar, there would be a gap here. If 15 was a bull bar. So if 15, if this got a 3-bar micro channel, there would be a gap somewhere there, wherever the tail ends. But there's not, so it gets closed. Now bears want to get the gap open, but that gets closed. Rally. 0 height gap. That's a negative gap, actually. I used to have this open here, but we can also look right here. I need to figure out a way to make these letters or numbers bigger. That would be tight. But for now, you can look here or here when I'm talking about measuring. So bar 33's low is 34.25. Bar 35's low is 34.50. Yeah, so there's a negative tick gap there by 1 gap. That's a negative gap. Here's another gap. That's so funny. Someone mentioned that in the comments. I did not know that was there for the longest time. That's helpful. Wait a minute. If I put this here, what does this last number stand for? Negative. Wait a minute. I don't understand. I'm trying to figure out what this number right here is. Okay, it don't matter. Look at these gaps. Remember how I was talking about on the daily gap on the third leg? Nicest gap. Nicest gap is on the third leg. Well, look here. Nicest gap is on the third leg for the bears. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3 has the nicest gap, and that also gets closed in the rally. Bears, looks like bears keep. Then no, actually, there's no gap. So yeah, interesting day. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good one. Well, Veterans Day is a federal holiday. You guys have a good one. If you learned something, share the show. If you didn't, oh well. I apologize. But anyways, I'm just joking. Have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.